Fresnel biprism is an example of interference due to division of electron. As the name suggests, Fresnel biprism. It should consist of two prisms joined base to base, but practically it is made as a single prism whose obtuse angle is 179 degree and two acute angles are half degree each. It is used to produce the two coherent sources. Let us see how it works. Let S be the source of monochromatic light. When the light from this source is incident on the upper portion of the biprism, then it bends downward due to reflection. Let us say this ray will strike the screen at point E. When the ray from this source is incident on the lower portion of the biprism, then it bends upward and strikes the screen at point F. When we see with telescope, then this ray will appear to come from a point source S1, and this ray will appear to come from point source S2. Now these S1 and S2, these are called virtual sources, virtual coherent sources. Virtual means they are not existing but they are appearing, and coherent because they are producing from a single source S. Now from S1, draw the ray, and this ray will strike the screen at point N, and from S2 the ray will strike the screen at point M. Now in this line portion, between E and F, we will have interference fringes, because this portion will consist of the waves from both of the sources S1 and S2. Interference pattern of bright and dark fringes are obtained of equal spacing, and the ray which passing through the biprism, middle of the biprism, will strike the screen at point O. Now we will get fringes of equal spacing, bright and dark fringes. Alternatively, bright and dark fringes are obtained on the either side of this point O. Now the question is, which point is the point of maxima and which is the point of minima? That will depend upon the phase difference between the rays meeting at that point and coming from the sources S1 and S2. Now we have relation phase difference equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. Let us see at point O, the rays from S1 and S2 will travel equal distance to reach the point O. So we have the path difference 0, and similarly the phase difference will be 0. Means the waves which are reaching the point O from S1 and S2 will be in same phase. If the waves are in same phase, we know they will reinforce each other and their amplitude will increase, and if their amplitude is increasing, then the point O will be the point of maxima. Similarly, we can obtain the maxima or minima depending upon the phase difference between the two waves. Now the fringe width beta is given by beta equal to lambda capital D upon small d. Here lambda is the wavelength of light used, capital D is the distance between sources and screen, and small d is the distance between two virtual coherent sources. So this was the theory of Fresnel biprism. Thank you very much.